Hi guys, today I'm gonna show a super simple nail care routine, because there's honestly just a few steps you need to do to keep your nails healthy. 1. Keep your nails clean. Regularly clean your nails with a gentle nail brush and mild soap to remove dirt and bacteria. 2. Always use exfoliator. Exfoliator helps to remove any dead skin on your nail plate, which is the surface of your nail. If you have hangnails you need to trim off, use a cuticle nippers to remove these hangnails. 3. Nail paint remover. If you have nail paint on your nails, remove it by using a nail paint remover. You can use a wooden toothpick to push back cuticles and scrape off the dead skin. 4. Trim and shape your nails properly. Use sharp, clean nail clippers to trim your nails straight across and then file them into your desired shape. Avoid using a sawing motion when filing, as it can weaken the nail. 5. Don't bite your nails. Biting your nails can damage the nail bed and lead to infections. Instead, try using a bitter-tasting nail polish or find alternative ways to manage stress or anxiety. 6. Apply a base coat before polish. Always use a base coat before applying nail polish. It helps protect your nails from staining and provides a smooth surface for better polish application.